Abatuura bintu babugana habahango hakorwa mu kitongole cyo kurebuza imirimo y'amashanyarazi cya Electricity Regulatory Authority okutebekanisibwa ba Fres Uganda omuri omugombora ya Burunga district ya Kazo na Kanyabuhara omugombora ya Kenshunga district ya Kiruhura.
So tujyaha kwakira comments, any comments, any representations are projected. Then tugaruka mu office Kampala tubasharemu nkatbahereze egi instrument yo kubikiriza kudistributing amashanyarazi akaraka.
We believe that this project should be able to foster the development of the community, because once they have power they will be able to beside the cooperatives, the local guys will be able to have other productive use of energy, the grinding mills, the salons, and so all this will improve the livelihood of the people.
Abatuana mnonga bari mu kushubura mate nagira ngo Fres Uganda etakizira mucyange ki embere kaba etabanguhire okubari gukora rose burkire konka wayime yo kutunga amashanyarazi gizoba okurwa mu Fres Uganda ebyo mushobora yaba bukabaje
amashanyarazi aga ubwabere gatakizire tubire twine challenge yo kukozesa amashita generator yitwefa tutamukositse nyingi gukora ibintu ebyo no kugura amashita na munonga gagatembere usanga almost buri period ninga shuburi 2015 ntukozesa miliyoni 2 gatahigu konka kurga amashanyarazi agagizire n'ubwabere gakiri aha pilot study nturebe costs zo kukozesa zishumire zarga hari miliyoni 2 twazo wa miliyoni kemwe n'icuka na miliyoni 1.
So project ejo basharamu twakorera kwa small fridges wemba rotating amate kwangwe bakoresa akubaza sore mpango project ejeke takobasa kuzihereza sora ukemshumire twagiremu farmers abinji barabona cooperative zabo bakashaba hakubaho project yakubasa kuhereza za kurempango mkezintu 5 no kwengerayo amashanyarazi agasora akuba generator zikaba zibire very expensive kandi zitari reliable.
Abebembezo muri Kiruhura na Kazo basiimire omuganda muhango ogu Fres Uganda etire ahamiturire y'abantu no kwataro government okusya obuheereza mu byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe omwihanga.
Hariho slogan hateriyo negenda mu misho eya securing the gate. Mwachura na mnonge mnyeta balya n'abanimba shaba mu mwejunise agamashanyarazi kubarondera byo kubatahiza
kandi obujurizi obunanye mpurira ku rugombantu nibasima obuheereza bw'abantu aba Fres abamazire nabo emyaka 10 emyaka 15 tabakagizire okutegayisibwa kuona obenjoreroho obana mushana muke amashanyarazi agagara so mboye nashemerwa okura kandi hatizoberi tujya kureba nibaga improving aho.
Benjamin Emia general manager wa Fres Uganda na jango general cyabo no kureba ngo imyaka 30 okusya imyaka 50 omuburi cyaro cyaganyurwa ombyemshubura yabo ubwo bari gukoresa amashanyarazi gizoba.
The three sites, for each site were targeting 30 to 50 households. Businesses really, not households. We're looking at businesses because we're looking at productive use of energy. That's why together with AFSI we're providing equipment at subsidized rates, because we believe that is what creates employment. The household just requires a single bulb, but a business will be able to provide income and will provide employment. Thank you.
Gasha kwa Antatkunda.